You know wetin dey silently kill many dreams for Nigeria? No be village people, no be lack of money, na fear. Fear of failing, fear of embarrassment, fear say people go laugh you, fear say e no go work. And the painful part, most people no even start because of that fear. That business idea wey dey your head since last year, fear hold am hostage. That con ten t you wan post, you don save am for draft 17 times. That shop you wan open, you still dey overthink am. Meanwhile, people wey no sabi pass you don start already. Not because dem brave pass you, but because dem move before confidence arrive. John Wayne talk something powerful. He say courage is being scared to death, but sadly not anyway. Street MBA with Kapick translation be say fear dey normal. Still open shop, still launch products, still post con ten t, still show up. Because courage no mean absence of fear. Courage mean movement despite fear. And if this kind of message dey motivate you as entrepreneur or hustler, abeg tap that subscribe button now. Like this video so more people fit see am. You think say that big entrepreneur never scare before? You think say all those successful creators no fear cameras at first? Bro, some of them record one video 40 times before posting. Some cried after opening business. Some nearly quit after first failure. Some launch products wey nobody buy initially. But today, na them people dey celebrate online. Why? Because dem no wait for perfect confidence. They move scared. Make I tell you one hard truth. Confidence no dey fall from heaven o. Action dey create confidence. The more you move, the more your mind adjust. The more you try, the more fear loses power. But if you keep waiting until you feel ready, you fit waste years, and life no dey pity people wey refuse to move o. So hear me clearly this Monday morning. Start with shaking hands if you must. Start with low views if you must. Start with small capital if you must. But with one customer if you want. But start, because small movement still pass standing still, and sometimes the miracle dey hide inside the movement. 1 year from now, you fit either smile say thank God I started, or still dey explain why you never begin. Fear no go disappear magically. Even successful people still dey fear. The difference be say dem no let fear drive the steering. So today, post that con ten t, open that business page, send that proposal, launch that idea. Fear dey normal, but regret worse pass fear. If you believe say na time to move anyway, comment move anyway. Like this video, share am with one hustler wey fear don hold back, and subscribe to Street MBA with Kapick.